So Cundall Industries is a production safety systems company. We manufacture trench boxes for the construction industry that not only protects the men in the trench, but is also a production tool because it speeds up the process. The cranes came about it from our own manufacturing needs and processes, but they again are also a production safety tool.
If there's a problem, we find a solution, we develop a piece of equipment around it. So we want to do a foundationless jib crane. So we designed and patented pod system. So each pod will have like 8 different anchors on them. And so they're spread out along the floor, almost like a spider web connected to the floor. So you reduce the load on the floor and you reduce the stress and you actually make it easy to move and relocate. So our goal is to nest our product into your environment. So if you have machines already set up, instead of buying a crane and have to move all your whole processes around. So what we do is we go in and we pick places and we nest our product within that environment. So we want it to be like as user-friendly as possible and as seamless as possible in the integration between our products and the customer's process. We have 2 different jib products. One is our BINAR handling manipulators. So we can have end effectors, we can pick up, we can rotate, we can attach via magnets or suction cups or just mechanical grippers. But then we also have just jib cranes, which can move a product lightly. So I would say anything over 25 pounds, you're going to use a jib crane product. But for high precision assembly, like if you're building lawnmowers or you're building farming equipment where you have an assembly line and process coming through and you need to have precision placement, this is where our BINAR handling products come from. Some of the smaller cranes we've had on like American Hot Rod TV show for years. It was on Jay Leno, his garage and stuff like that. So we build some stuff for some high-end companies. We've done stuff for Toyota, SpaceX, Google, Uber, these top names, but we also build for small mom and pops because that's who we are. And we want to make sure that they can afford it.
We're really, we are a family business, but also we're extended family with the workers here. That's the way we treat everybody.
We don't want to just say, I'm going to sell you a crane. Height, width, length, capacity. Yes, that kind of gives us an idea of what to quote, but I want to know, what are you doing, right? What are your pain points? What are your struggles? How hard is it to pick up? Where do you need to move it from? Because if I'm going to build you a crane and you get it to your facility and it's custom, it has to be perfect when you get it. Because for us, cranes are like snowflakes. There's like no two alike. And so when I build you something and you sign for it and I sign to agree with it, I want to make sure you get exactly what you need. To learn about Cundall Industries and all our innovations, visit Cundall.com.